everybody. I'm Linda the old bird. I'm up dancing tonight. And this song came to mind because of something that just happened. You know what? I started a new group on Facebook. Gotta Be Handmade group. It's going to be a place where I show you how I create my handmade products. I'm going to sell my handmade products. I'm going to have fun over there. And yep, I'm even going to do a little dancing. That's right. So come on over. Join my group. Shop for my handmade items. Join my group. Have fun with me. Join my group. Come on over and dance a little bit with me. You know it. Gotta Be Handmade group. Over on Facebook. Come on. And look, if you don't, it's okay. If you're not interested, it's okay. I'll be around. Hello. Thank you for joining me. This is my little celebration. I'm starting a new group over on Facebook. Gotta Be Handmade group. I'm going to sell my handmade items. I'm going to show you how I make them. I'm going to do a little dancing. We're going to have a whole lot of fun. So come on over, join me. Over on Facebook. Gotta Be Handmade group. Have a blessed night. Come over and celebrate with me. I'll be around. Bye-bye.